बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की मैं अपने इस वीडियो में आपके लिए स्टोरी लेके आई हूँ। टॉपिक है स्टोरी का द ऑनेस्ट वुड कटर। तो चलिए आज हम इसको डिस्कस करते हैं। Was there lived a woodcutter in a village. He was very poor at the same time, he was very gentle and honest. He believed in hard work. He earned his living by selling wood in the town. Once he was cutting a tree near a river. His axe slipped from his hands and fell into the river. He did not know how to swim. He started weeping. He looked upward and prayed to God for help. Just then an angel appeared there. He asked the woodcutter what had happened. The woodcutter told him the story. The angel felt sorry for him. He decided to help the woodcutter. He dived into the river and brought out an axe. This axe was made of pure gold. He gave this golden axe to the woodcutter. The woodcutter refused to take it. He said that it was not his axe. The angel once again dived into the river and brought out an axe. This time axe was silver. He gave this silver axe to the woodcutter. Again, the woodcutter refused to take it. The angel dived into the river for the third time. This time he brought an iron axe. The woodcutter felt happy to see his own axe. He thanked the angel for his help. The angel was much impressed by the honesty of the woodcutter. He gave him all the 3 axes as the gift and disappeared. The woodcutter was rewarded for his honesty. The moral of the story is number 1. Honesty is the best policy. Number 2. Truth always triumphs. उम्मीद है आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा और प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर and subscribe my YouTube channel to watch my new other videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.